Hello guys and welcome to another episode of Bloxd fruit. So I kinda wanna eat my blizzard fruit now because I traded some things for a blizzard and a shadow and a quake. I found it. Buddha, I think it's time to say goodbye to Buddha because I'm getting kinda bored using Buddha. I mean there's a lot of people who like say, why are you gonna switch from Buddha? I mean it's literally almost a weekend. Red trip. I'm gonna show you the movements. Red trip. Wait, you spot an enemy. Airy out. Close enough. Ah yeah, retribution dash. Yay! And now where'd it go? Shoot. Only impact. Wow. Alright. That's cool, but I guess. Because I'm switching to Blizzard. Buddha is literally getting on my nerves because it's kind of boring. It's getting kind of boring. I mean, other people use Buddha, I know that, but I mean, come on, Blizzard is just way cooler. So, if you'd like to subscribe right now, I might switch to Blizzard instead of keeping this stupid Buddha. Yeah, I was planning to fully awaken it, but there's no use really. It's just for grinding. PvP's mid. In my opinion, Blizzard is literally like so good for PvP, and yeah, and also grinding and maybe CB hunting because Buddha, bro, you can't even beat a Leviathan that well with Buddha. I mean, you have to use a Skyman, or else you can't do it. Buddha is just too trash for CB's grinding. I mean, that's this is my opinion, but you can choose your own opinion. I hope I don't regret this, but I'm eating the Blizzard. Oh, my friend's gonna be so angry. He wanted me to trade Blizzard and Shadow for Dark Blade. I have no Robux. Alright, Blizzard. Moment of truth. Goodbye, Buddha. Oh gosh. Like and subscribe, please. I'm sacrificing one of my favorite fruits. Oh, wow. That wasn't very. Dang it, bro! Blizzard obeys let master 250. I'm gonna get cooked. Alright. Snowflake shuriken with the Sigma. Let's do this. Yeah! Ow! Good range indeed. Alright, snowflake shuriken. No. Make sure. Yeah, shit, wait, where's it? What? Bro, I'm literally Zoro. I just lost my sense of direction. So just get this guy. Ah! Oh no! Go away! Oh, it's this guy. Hey, snowflake shuriken. Yeah, power. Alright. Yay! Alright, nice. How many mastery? No! Tornado fly is the best thing for grinding. Still did not get it. Alright, let's keep grinding. Yippee! Snowflake shuriken. Yeah, boys, this is so good. Tornado flight. Aha! Yeah, that's right. It's kind of bad actually. I'm gonna lie, I'm kind of fast with this thing. Oh shoot, Vegeta's here. Oh hell nah, bro. Quick, you skibbity. Vegeta McGuita. Confirm. I'm out. Yeah, get me here. Let me get over there. In combat. Hehe, well. Snowflake shuriken. Where's Vegeta, man? Thanks for the bounty. Yo, level mastery 73. I got bounty, yay. Alright, well, Mystic Droplets, I got 1 of them solar. Bro, 8 meteorites, 2 dark fragments. Yeah. I mean, I did once. Let me spend this on this. Okay. Alright. So, as you see, I'm just gonna type one. I got the title Forbidden One since I literally found somehow Dark Fist in a chest, and I started summoning Darkbeard, of course. So yeah, I got my shark race to V2. That's pretty nice. And oh yeah, I'm planning to get Sherman Karate because right now, I mean, like 100 more levels, and I'm literally good to go. But that's not, that might not be happening because, you know, my levels kind of, I still don't have enough money. Fragments, yes, but money, no, not that much. All right, 20 more levels until whiteout. Let's do this. Let's do this. Yeah. 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 I mean, yeah. Yeah, bro. Yeah. Get over here. Said, get over here. Dude, bro. Are you Zoro, bro? I don't even think you guys know sensitive. Nah. I'm getting decimated by this guy. Oh! It's cross cancellation. God dang it. Bro, ski! I dodge. Oh shoot, how did I climb up here? Sneak attack! Bet you didn't know that. I got Usopp's kombucha. Now kombucha, yeah. This thing's actually not that good for grinding. Not gonna lie. I mean, until I get Blizzard domain, it's absolutely good. But right now, it's kind of bad. As you know, it's not kind of bad. It's very bad for grinding. I kind of regret my decision, but who cares? This fruit's cool, and that's what matters. Scrap metal. Ah! No! Stuck. What? How did I glitch here? Yeah, I can fly. I'm flying, boys. I'm literally flying. This place is not good for grinding at all. This fruit got good for grinding at places which do not have so much leaves, bro. Grinding simulator continues. Got him. Yeah, him. Alright. Stupid leave. Oh, nah, bro. I might be trapped here. Oh. Kind of glitchy. It's kind of glitchy. the range has been deleted. This fruits, bro. Alright, there you go. Whee! Oh wow, I didn't reach it and he just got cancelled. Alright. So anyways, let's just do this. Let's see the range on this. Oh, range is fine. Range is fine. Ah! How dare you attack on me? Alright. Kabucha, I really regret buying the Kabucha. It sucks. I mean, not really sucks, but it's like it's not even a gun, bro. It's literally a melee weapon that does no damage. And why I literally regret even more is that putting 100 mastery on a gun. I'm so dumb. I mean, I should not have done that. Oh, new skill available. What is it? Why not? Whee! Oh, dang it. Meow. No. Alright. Oh, the longer I hold it, the more damage it deals. Wow, where did he go? Tornado flight. Yeah. Oh yeah, boys. Oh yeah. Hit it gritty. Howling wind is gonna take forever. Alright. Martin Captain. Alright. Wide out. Woo! Picture. Wow. How many self-picture pins again? I forgot. I think 6. Yes, probably 6. Alright, tornado fly so good. Yeah, you got damage. He's getting damaged so bad. Alright. Yeah, 6. Pretty nice. Alright. Bro, this guy. Let's say on Fire Emblem Goku, bro. The donut sword. No offense, Goku. Alright, white out. There we go. That's enough picture. Ah! Yeetus. Ah! Alright, not gonna lie, this fruit is not that good for grinding until I get a Blizzard domain. I mean, whiteout's pretty cool, but no, I'm stuck here again. Ah! What? The? I'm stuck. Yeah, boys, get oofed. Woo! Yes, get him. Yeah. Woo! I'm absolutely missed. So bad. Oh, you're right. Sorry. Oh yeah. Ugh. Stuck again. Wait, let's go to first person. Maybe it's gonna get better. This is not better. I can't see. Yeah, this is better. I can grind like this. I mean, I hope. scared me, bro. How dare you? How dare you? Ah! Ship now. Oh man, I can't go into a haunted ship yet. I'm too low level. What? Yeah. Oh my gosh, I sent him flying. Why that? Nice. My Blizzard. 60 more mastery. How on earth am I supposed to get that? I guess since now I'm a Bloxd main, I'm gonna play on Bloxd since, I mean, yeah. Alright. Got one refund. I'm so dumb on putting on stun, but I'm gonna deal with it. Oh no, I'm not. Yeah, I'm just deal with it. Guess nothing really I can do. Just not use my kabucha. I mean, maybe in PvP, yeah, but most of the time, no. Kabucha's so lame. Alright, I'm using this. This is a bit quicker. Oh hell no. Oh nah, bro, this thing's so slow. There's a Buddha over there. Oh my god. Woo. You want me to help you? Bruh. Ah, dang it, bro. It's mid. It's not that good. Alright, please give me. No. What? Alright. Alright, please. Please go through or else I'm gonna slap you. Clap you. Please. No! No, this thing sucks. Stupid love. Store it. This thing sucks. Why did I get this, bro? This is one of the worst fruits. Not really one of the worst. It's fine. By the way, I want a mythical! I remember the time I wrote a spirit. This guy's asking. This guy's literally begging for a spirit. And I accidentally ate a spirit. I am so. Who cares? There's no going back now. Alright, anyways. This is kind of bad for traveling. Wait, I don't take damage in water. Why didn't I just do this? Alright. Bro. So I've been wanting to get superhuman for a long time, but I couldn't because I didn't get mastery 300 on each of them. Plus, I don't have enough study anyways. So yeah. But anyways, I will see you guys in another video because Blizzard is taking too long to get mastery with. It's not like Buddha, so easy. But yeah, I'll see you guys in another video. So yeah, bye.